In this video, I'll guide you through how to link your Wise account to your Chase account seamlessly. Whether you're looking to streamline your financial management or simply make transferring funds easier, this tutorial will take you through each step, ensuring you feel confident in the process. First, you'll want to open the Chase app on your mobile device and sign into your account. If you don't already have the app, you can download it from your device's app store and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, look for the option labeled Pay and Transfer. This is your gateway to managing your transfers and payments within the app. Go ahead and tap on it, then select the transfer option. This will lead you to various transfer settings and options. Next, you'll need to choose Account Transfer. After selecting this option, you'll see a section labeled To, which is where you'll specify the destination account for your transfers. Here, you'll want to tap on Add External Account. This step is crucial as it will allow you to link your Wise account to Chase, enabling seamless transfers between the two. When you choose to add an external account, you'll be given the option to add a bank account manually. Select this manual option to proceed. It's important to have your Wise account details handy at this stage. You'll need to enter the routing number and account number that are provided in your Wise app. These numbers are essential as they uniquely identify your Wise account and facilitate secure transactions. Once you've entered your Wise account details, take a moment to review the information. It's always a good idea to double-check these details to avoid any errors that could delay the linking process. After you've verified the accuracy of the information, proceed by agreeing to the terms and conditions. This agreement is necessary to authorize the connection between your Chase and Wise accounts. The next step involves a verification process to confirm ownership of the account. Follow the prompts provided by the Chase app to complete this verification. This step is essential for security purposes, ensuring that the account you're linking is indeed yours. Once you've successfully completed the verification process, your Wise account will be linked to your Chase account. You're now ready to receive transfers directly to your Wise account from Chase, making your financial transactions smoother and more efficient. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Wise account to your Chase account. This integration not only simplifies your financial management, but also opens up new opportunities for handling your funds with ease. If you found this guide helpful, remember to check out other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your finances efficiently.